It's harder than skipping?
I would play this game in my ballet class. Like, I would have to catch it.
Joanna looks so scared right now. She's like, I don't even know what I'm doing.
I can't. I have a dress. Nope. I can't do it to these shoes. Where are you going to Guys, I have a dress. One day I kind of don't like me. It's just pretty short. Yeah. Go around it. Go straight back. No, just go. You learn from my mistakes.
Emily's like so competitive. And back, and back.
Let's go to the tree. Let's go to the tree and back. Guys, let's go to the tree around this tree.
I think it'll be better from this angle. Here we go.
What are you talking about?
Okay, on
Joanna!
on mark, get set, go! Emily, you're failing. Emily's in the lead.
You missed it. Oh, yeah, it'll be on YouTube. Don't worry. It'll be on YouTube.
Nicely done, girls. Nice.